Hello, guys. Welcome back to our next episode of this tutorial in this payroll system. So, in here, we are going to summarize attendance in preparation for the processing of our payroll. Okay, so next, all you have to do before you summarize, before you generate attendance and eventually summarize the attendance, you must see to it that the the change of schedule in every employee was already been set in this screen. So here, example, in this particular employee has a change of default schedule of shift 8 from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. So if there are changes to this default schedule, you must change in this screen once again prior to the generation of our attendance. So here we have February 6, 13, 20, and 20 to set this day as rest day. But I have to set this or declare this as a working day and choose the default schedule of 8. And then here work day instead of rest day, I change this to work day and select the schedule. Here you may also select use default since the default schedule of this particular employee is shift 8, which is from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. So alright, so you have to go through each employee here if there are changes to their default schedule. Alright, so once done, you have to close this one and then proceed now for the generation of the attendance sheet. So, in generation of the attendance sheet, since our software is a multi-company, you have to select which company you are working with and the branch, and then afterwards you have to select the range of the date you are going to process. So for example, in this example here, I have to process February 1 to February 20, and then once set, click generate now. Okay, so you have successfully generated your attendance sheet. So close here and then proceed to the attendance sheet. In this attendance sheet, we are going to evaluate each and every employee if there are needs attention if ever there is a lacking in and out or there are discrepancies in this processing of the attendance. So you notice here, say for example, in this February 17, we have only one log. So if that is the case, this employee on that day is automatically absent. So the rule here is that if there is no log in, the system will automatically declare him or her as absent, and also if there is no log out, so lacking of which uh, the system will automatically declare that they as absent. So right, so if you are also authorized to override or change that particular employee, so you may able to change that one. So by selecting the date and then click the update here and then remove the value here from absent to work here and then set or enter the exact time that the employee was out during that day. So for instance, I have to put here 0400 4 p.m. Guys, uh, uh, this only be changed if you are authorized to do that. Okay? Alright, so you have to proceed to the other employee and evaluate those attendance if there are discrepancies. And of course, I just want to reiterate, if and only if you are authorized to change the attendance sheet, then you may do so. Okay? And then after that, so you have now to summarize the attendance. Okay, so summarizing the attendance is based on the payroll periods. So if the active payroll period is January 30 to February 14, 2023, and the pay term is 15 and 28. So you have to click summarize. Okay, all right, summarize, and then after that, uh, your summarized data will now be forwarded here, and okay, here. So each employee should have a summarized data from regular day to the number of days he is present. Okay, right? So, by the way, guys, when you generate the attendance, and it seems that there is already, yeah, see that there is already this previously generated data. So you have two options here to override the existing generated data, or do not override but only the missing logs, or the logs that is not generated previously, we're going to process. So if you have entered here, if you have made a change to a particular person and wanted to regenerate the attendance, and you choose override, your entered data here will be overwritten. Okay, so okay, so say for instance I have to override, so process generate attendance, and then I have to choose click yes. Okay, sorry for that, it takes a long time to process, but yeah, so in we have previously updated the data here for Abahon. So in here 56, see that the data we have changed or updated before was now overwritten to what is being processed or generated in our attendance module. All right, so I think that's it, and thank you for watching.